This is the first question of today's session. What we have to do now, we have to prove that uh, or show that 1 divided by cos theta minus cos theta equals to tan theta into sin theta. Or you can say 1 upon cos theta minus cos theta or 1 over cos theta minus cos theta. Anything you can say here. So how to solve this type of questions? So the step number 1 is, first we will write LHS means left hand side. What is left hand side here? We have 1 upon cos theta minus cos theta. If there is nothing, there will be 1 we can consider in the denominator. So after that, what we will do, we will take the LCM of these two. What will be the LCM of these two? Cos theta and 1. The LCM will be cos theta. Now the next step is, you will write in the rough side area, cos theta, not in the main area, the rough in the side. Cos theta, you will take this cos theta here and you will divide this cos theta. You will divide this with this cos theta. Cos theta gets cancelled, you will get 1. This one you will multiply with this one, numerator of this. 1 once 1. Now after this term, what sign do we have here? Minus, right? So this sign we will put here, minus. Now again the next step is cos theta, we will write here. Now this time this cos theta we will divide with this one. So what will be the answer? Cos theta. So this cos theta we will multiply with this cos theta. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. Clear? By now everything is okay? Yes, good. Now, in our previous lecture, in previous class, we have already studied about all these beautiful formulas. So now we have a beautiful formula: 1 minus cos square theta equals to sine square theta, right? Okay. So what we will do, instead of 1 minus cos square theta, we will write sine square theta divided by the same term, cos theta. Now the next step is, this sine square theta can be written as sine theta into sine theta. Since it is square, so we can multiply this 2 times, sine theta into sine theta. And in the denominator, what we are having here? Cos theta, right? Now we have one more wonderful formula: sine theta by cos theta. What is our formula? Sine theta by cos theta. Yes, very good. Tan theta. So we have formula sine theta by cos theta equals to tan theta. This is our formula. Now instead of sine theta by cos theta, we can write tan theta. So next step I will write this side, sine theta by cos theta equals to tan theta. And what is in the next area? Sine theta, which is your RHS. So hence proved. If you want, you can write this way: LHS equals to RHS. This is your final answer.